Hey guys, how's it going? Let's have a quick look at another quick obstacle. Okay, so let's go in and scan this application. From what I've seen, you basically have to take the random number 1 and random number 2 and stick it in here. I've no idea why it's hard. Let's go in and do a quick scan. So select on screen, random number 1, let's take the operator, and random number 2 and put it in there. So let's just rename that to random 1 operator random 2 and then rename result. Everything's recognized, so let's just go in there and close it, save it. Let's take this bad boy and throw it into the one I already prepared, and then we're gonna go in here and we go random 1. I think we're going to want to buffer that, and the operator are we gonna buffer that as well? I think we're gonna buffer that as well. We'll buffer that. Okay, and then let me see, math, M-A-T-H, and it's gonna be another buffer in here. I'm gonna read this buffer. Random. Choose that. I tried this one earlier. Random 1. And then let me see. The first one, and we need the operator, right? And then we need the second one. Take that out. It's from our previous run. And then we have to close off the math operation. So go in, buffer that, get the operator, get the random number, and then we have to put input into the result field the math operation of buffer random 1 multiplied by or divided mod random 2. Let's give it a go. Okay, cool. I'm surprised that even took 10 minutes. I know I had a look at this earlier on today, but it's a really straightforward one, and there's absolutely no way this, just a math call, should actually be a hard one. This I would consider this to be very easy. Certainly shouldn't be a hard one. Let's do it from scratch, okay? Close the browser. And then run the browser from the top. I've already set up the configuration parameter. Yeah, okay, cool. Here we go. Super. Alright guys, thanks very much. Like, comment, subscribe. You never do, but I'll never stop asking. Cheers, bye.